मैं विजनरी पैकेज पे क्यों इन्वेस्ट करूं? Why should I invest on visionary package? Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This video is specifically made for all those people who have bought the Dreamers package. See, when I started with Dreamers package, the idea was that a platform needs to be laid, a content needs to be laid, people need to know कि कहाँ से पढ़ना है, कैसे शुरू करना है. And Dreamers package is still the basic and the most fundamental package that anybody needs to have. Today, fourth engineers, third engineers, even second engineers are going for Achievers package, and I recommend them कि भाई पहले Dreamer package से start करो, basic fundamentals को improve करो, and then move on to Visionary package, then Achiever package, and that is how it is going to be one of the most effective content of your life. So now coming to the point, what I did was I just carried out a survey recently from my team. That was there were a lot of students, around thousands, maybe around 1500, 2000 students, those who have bought the Dreamers package and have not jumped to the Visionary package as of now. So I wanted to do a survey to know what is going on in their mindset and see if I can help them out. So the thing was, first thing was I asked them, what are the reasons that you have bought the Dreamers package but still you have not moved on to the second package? So the biggest 70% of students said, sir, abhi hamara selection nahi hua hai, sir, we have not got selected and we will definitely go to Visionary package, but once we get selected. Now guys, when you say that, you have two question marks. अरे यार, मैं Visionary package पे क्यों invest करूँ? Why should I invest on Visionary package? When अगर selection नहीं हुआ तो it will go waste. Sadly, that is not true. Because this Visionary package is completely complementing the Dreamers package and I'll prove it. So now for all those people, those are preparing for Anglo, Synergies, IMS Goa, Great Eastern interview today, there was a time when there was no package and Dreamer package had just come in. So all those people, those who were studying from Dreamers package, were getting a jackpot because interviewers were not expecting those answers at all. Whenever you go to an interview, say 20 candidates are sitting over there, and all those 20 candidates have studied only from Dreamers package, the answers are going to be approximately common and the interviewer will not be able to judge kisko lena hai, kisko nahi. It will become difficult. So you have to up your game. Maybe with the help of books, maybe with the help of group discussions, maybe with the help of your communication skills, maybe with the help of how you interpret or answer your questions, but most importantly is the knowledge part as well. So coming again, a common question that is asked in IMS Go and Anglo is about pumps. So now they ask you what is a centrifugal pump, you tell them blah 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 blah, whatever you have studied in Dreamers package or from your books, and suddenly you say, sir, there are a lot of pumps that we can see on ship as well, like in centrifugal pump, we know about fire and GS pumps, sir. जिसके बारे में I have explained very importantly in a very good way in my Visionary package. Now what happens is, interviewer again gets surprised. How does he know that? I never expected this kind of an answer. And you are one step closer. So that is how it goes. I'll give another example. Suppose they talk about walls and there have been questions which have been asked about walls. And you can say, sir, there are different kinds of walls. There is a screwed or non-Newton wall and there is a normal globe wall as well. Sir, non-Newton wall on its spindle has got a cross mark which I have shown. Sir, not just this, there is a marking given. Say it is 5K15 written over there. Sir, 5 means bar, that is the maximum pressure. 15 is the nominal diameter. Now all these things that you are saying over here, he is not expecting, so he is not asking you. But suddenly, when you yourself start telling those answers, he said, "Bhai, Jai Mata di, kya baat hai? Kahan se padha hai?" This same thing happened 1 year back when students were studying from Dreamers package, and now you guys need to up your ante, complete the Dreamers package, jump up to Visionary package so that you learn something which will help you. I have seen in my life, sometimes 1-2 good answers, exceptional answers, can get you selected rather than 8 average answers. So the role is to reach the expected, nahi, unexpected thing, upper level. यहाँ पर पहुंचना है. So don't be satisfied with what you have got. Revise, complete the Dreamers package, move on to Visionary package, make your notes. They are definitely going to help you. I believe Dreamer package was one thing. You did a great job buying it, investing on it, and now you are reaping the benefits. But now next step comes as Visionary package. Complete Dreamers package, set a target. Move on to Visionary package, set a target, complete, and you will see the results happening soon. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.